the dahabshiil not engaged in business, but is engaged in areas where is very dangerous for its future existence, and it is interfering politics. It's listening and dubbing politicians and interfering peace and stability in the south, and interfering the day-to-day where there is continuous report. Their support they're giving to various extremist elements in the region, interfering the Amazon and the Somali community, very fragile peace. And we have warned, and I've sent an appeal, official appeal in Somali today, because still I believe we can solve the problem internally. But if it's not solved internally, then we will have to take action to make sure